living in the lakeside. It's an experience that a lot of people get in love with. But in this place, it's different. And today, my friend and colleague Megan is gonna talk to us.
Hello, I am Megan, and today we are at the Birds of Paradise, a place where comfort, community, and lifestyle come together. Living here means enjoying a beautiful common area designed to relax and connect, with a heated pool and a hot tub, to the library, meeting room, gym, and a peaceful green space. There is a 24-hour security giving you peace of mind every day. What truly makes Birds of Paradise special is a vibrant, welcoming Mexican charm, a friendly community, perfect for enjoying activity and a social lifestyle.
The location could be better, easily accessible whether you're walking or driving, and just minutes away from hospitals, shops, restaurants, and everyday services. Birds of Paradise isn't just a place to live, it's a place to enjoy life. So now we'll let you enjoy the rest of this tour video